In this video, I will show you how to convert errors in number cells to numbers. To convert errors in number cells to actual numbers in Excel, we can use several effective methods. Let's start with the Convert to Number command method. If your cells display a green triangle indicator in the top left corner, it means that Excel recognizes them as numbers stored as text. You can easily convert these by following these steps. Select the range of cells with the green triangle. Click on the warning icon that appears next to the selected cells. From the drop-down menu, choose Convert to Number. This method is quick and works effectively for multiple cells at once. Now let's see how we can do it using the Paste Special method. Select any blank cell and copy it. Select the range of cells you want to convert. Right-click on the selected range and choose Paste Special. In the dialog box, select All under Paste and choose Add under Operation. Then click OK. This will effectively convert text representations of numbers into actual numeric values.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.